Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to change your display name on TikTok PC. So go to any browser or you can do it on your TikTok app, and then you can see the option right top corner on your screen. It's called a profile icon. Then you can see view profile. Simply tap here or click here and then click edit profile, and you can see here username and name it's display name. You can write any name, but username it can be it will be a unique name. Okay, so I'm just remove this one and type my name and click save and confirm. So you can only change your nickname once every 7 days. So confirm it, and you can see it will be changed here. So if I refresh this page, then you will see that my profile has been updated. So okay, I need to okay, I'm just coming again. Then you can see okay, I'll refresh, and then here and profile name change. Okay, here is you can see it's the name change. So okay friend, today's normal, and thank you for watching.